Welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the steps to clear your search history on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've been searching for new accounts or content and want a fresh start, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your feed and the familiar layout that you know well. Next, look for the More icon on the left side menu. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines, or dots. Clicking on this icon will reveal additional options, helping you access your account settings. Now go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new menu where you can manage various aspects of your Instagram account. From here, look for Account Center. This is where you'll find options related to your account's information and permissions. Once you're in the Account Center, choose Your Information and Permissions. This section allows you to see and manage different types of data associated with your account. It's essential for keeping your account organized and your information private. Now, locate the Search History option. Clicking on this will show you all your recent searches. If you're ready to clear your history, simply click on Clear All Searches. A prompt will appear to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, your search history will be wiped clean, giving you a fresh slate to start anew. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully cleared your search history on Instagram using your PC. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your account tidy and your searches private. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on using Instagram and other platforms. Until next time, enjoy your browsing.